Hey everyone, welcome back to Techno Tips. So today I have got something super handy for all the content creators, vloggers and also even casual users out there. So this duophone mic Type-C 5 fingers. So let's check it out and unbox this. So I'm unboxing this box. In the box we got this duophone mic itself with a Type-C connector and a handy carry pouch, and inside this we have this windshield, and here's the charging cable for Type-C. We can charge by this Type-C cable, and here are some logos, documentation. And about its design and build, it's the first impression. It's a super compact and very lightweight, and its build is solid with a matte finish, and here's the logo. Beside this it has a dual mic and with this Type-C receiver. So first here's our mic, and here a windshield we have to attach here. Now you can snap on your hoodies or your clothes anywhere. So let's test this mics. So this is my voice without this mic. So first let's connect this Type-C receiver and plug on your phone for 2 seconds. See, it's on now. It indicates on a green light. You can see guys, I'm talking with this mic. I'm using this mic and my voice is very clear. You can see this performance. The audio is very crisp and clear, so way better than your phone's built-in mic. So here's a quick and comparison. First audio from the phone mics and now the fingers duo mic. Here the differences. So it is very compatible and usage. It works with most Android phones with USB Type-C port, and just plug and record. You can use it with the built-in camera app or any third-party app like Open Camera, Instagram or even Zoom also. So it's very dual mic setup, plug and play, great audio quality and affordable. But one thing is that it is not compatible with iPhones, no volume control on mute buttons. But honestly, for the price and ease of use, it's a great deal. So that's it for today's quick review. If you found this video helpful, give it thumbs up and subscribe to Techno Tips and hit that bell icon so you never miss our updates. So got any questions, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.